Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So what you have to do is to just go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, battery saver. Tap on it once and you will enable power saving mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on this button. Go to the battery saver, and for example you can set a schedule for it here based on your percentage. And you can also set it to turn off automatically when the battery is up to 19% charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.